All right, so our topic is chemical engineering. Our team members are Ryan Anderson, Joelvin Kingsbury, Alyssa Lyons, and Luke Zock. Our Fed goal is to use the principles of entrepreneurship and engineering to develop cost-effective solar panel windows. Chemical engineering encompasses the study of how chemical plants are designed and operated, as well as improving production processes. Chemical engineers focus on turning raw materials into useful products using the principles of chemistry, biology, physics, and math. And chemical engineers produce chemicals, food, fuel, drugs, and many other products. The origins of chemical engineering began with the Industrial Revolution, which brought more factories, raw materials, and products. In order to maximize efficiency, chemical engineers were needed in mass to solve modern industrial processes problems. And the first attempt to form a society of chemical engineers was in London in 1880. MIT was the first university to have a 4-year chemical engineering program. Some notable achievements in chemical engineering are everyday products that you use, like potable water, gasoline, vaccines, fertilizer, sanitation, plastics, detergent, toothpaste, and other energy options. Those three that are underlined are very relevant to today's situation with COVID-19.
So chemical engineering at NCSU is known as one of the top ranking in the US, coming in at number 11 and 24 worldwide, making it a very reputable program to be a part of. It's also one of the largest programs, having number 5 nationwide in the amount of graduates that have completed the program and earned their degree. Engineering at NCSU has its own section of campus, making it obviously a very large part of NCSU. They also offer experience opportunities. NCSU assists students in finding possible career and research. They have a co-op and internship assistance where you can be guided as to how to find an internship. The College of Engineering Career Fair is one of the largest nationwide. There are a bunch of students from other universities and colleges that will come in just for this career fair. It's hosted at NCSU. There are 24 research centers globally that engineers can study at. And on average, chemical engineering has the highest paying starting salary.
Opportunities after graduation. A major in chemical engineering is one of the most lucrative majors out of college with a high volume of job opportunities. Some of the fields that these include are energy, such as fossil fuels and renewable energy. Pharmaceuticals is a major component, and specialty chemicals. And typical starting jobs include research for different companies, process development, and production engineers. If you're not interested in going into the workforce right away, another popular option is to go back to school and get your master's in chemical engineering. Why you might want to do this includes a roughly 13% higher median salary. That comes out to be about $110,000 per year. Also, a master's in chemistry sets you apart from other engineers in the eyes of employers. They'll definitely like to see the master's on your resume. And specifically at NCSU, they offer a master's degree in chemical engineering. And to get into this program, you obviously are required to have a chemical engineering degree and to graduate with a 3.0 or better GPA from an accredited institution. Once you're in the program, it is a 30 credit hour program where you take graduate level courses, which are between 500 and 700 level. Some of these required courses are process modeling, thermodynamics 1, transport phenomena, and chemical reaction engineering. In addition to the required courses, you need 6 other chemical engineering related courses. And in order to graduate, you need to maintain at least a 3.0 GPA, and it must be completed within 6 years of signing up for your first classes.
Research in chemical engineering at NC State is one of the top ranking universities in research expenditures. It's ranked 5th in the nation. You can research in areas such as catalysts, kinetics, and electrochemical engineering, complex fluids and microfluids, nanoscience and nanoengineering, polymer science, and many others. You have the opportunity to collaborate with over 70 government and industry partners. NC State University researchers earn national honors and lead international organizations. 5 of NC State's 23 National Academy members work in the Department of Biomedical and Chemical Engineering.
Some future research in chemical engineering includes renewable energy. Our world is currently running out of fossil fuels, so in response to this, we're trying to replace those with renewable energies such as solar, nuclear, and wind energy. Another big branch of future research in chemical engineering includes biotechnology and medicine, such as genetic code editing / repair. Currently, CRISPR is a very like not popular, but a current like method of genetic editing. But chemical engineers will continue to advance on that and advance pharmaceuticals and medicine.
All right, and these are references. And in person, we'd say, take questions.